Hello everybody and welcome to my latest home automation video. I recently had a comment from one of my subscribers who was asking whether the Philips Hue remote will control the IKEA Tradfri bulbs. Now I already have a Philips Hue motion sensor working with Tradfri bulbs, but I've not tried the actual remote. Really, the motion sensor is like a remote, but I haven't actually proved it myself. So in this video, I'm going to have a go at setting up this remote to be able to control a Tradfri bulb, and let's see how we get on. Okay, so what I've done is I've been through the setup process using the iConnect Hue app. I've been through that, as you'll see in a minute, and we'll see if it controls the lights successfully. Right, okay, I've been through the setup process, so what we'll do now is we'll go through into my bedroom, and you just see there the lights of my ceiling lights have just automatically come on, which are operated by the motion sensor up there. That's the white square thing, not the monkey. That's how I've got my bedroom lights set up. When the light's low enough, they come on using the motion sensor. But anyway, back to the Philips Hue remote. So down there you will see my bedside lamp, and you can also see the Tradfri remote there as well, which is what I use to switch on and off my bedside lights. But we're interested in this, so I've programmed that top button, so when you hold that button the light comes on. And I've just noticed you can see all the wrinkles in my forehead. Anyway, so if we hold that button now, you can just see my ceiling lights just fading out now. If I hold that button, on comes the lights. So that works perfectly. I've not programmed the buttons to turn off those lights. To do that, I would have to use my Tradfri remote. So if I press that, my Tradfri light goes off using the Tradfri. So I'm now using a Tradfri remote, and also I'll go back to the Philips, and also the Philips Hue remote. So again, I can turn the light back on, comes on. Like I say, I've not programmed it to turn them off, but I think that proves that you can, yes you can, operate your IKEA Tradfri lights using your Philips Hue remotes. You just need the iConnect Hue app, which will allow you to play around. It's very good, very simple to use, as you saw in the demo there. And you can set up whichever lights you've got, whether it be Philips Hue lights or Tradfri lights, using whichever remote you like. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.